So, in the first week of school, we sat down and we did some technology workshops. So what we're going to do is we're going to register those hours. So we log into our NESA account. I've got mine saved, so that makes life really easy. Now, when you log into NESA, you may come up with having to change your password and check all your details. I've done that recently, so it's not going to ask me. Don't stress about your invoices. I've already paid mine, so it may be for next year. What we're going to do is we're going to do Teacher Identified Professional Development Application. Go here, and it's going to come up with a list of things that we can do. So we're going to register a Teacher Identified one. Add new Teacher Identified. I'm going to call it Technology Workshop. It went for 2 hours between the 3 sessions, 0 minutes, and the activity type is the tricky one. So you actually have to select it. I'm going to call it a workshop. Do a search and it'll tell us there's workshop. Select. Start date was on the 29th to the 29th. How did it address the standard prescriptors? So this is where I go to the description of the standards, and it was about how to use ICT in teaching and learning. So I would write in there and the standard number was 262. You can always select more than one. I try to stick to just 2 or 3. It just makes it a bit nicer for when people go to register it and check that you're doing the right thing. There we go. I'm going to add it. Done. And you'll see that it's there. It's registered as a Teacher Identified. All sorted.